What's going on, everybody? Levi here with Death Grip in the beautiful Woodland Park, Colorado. Today I wanted to talk to you about the different mustache waxes we have in our line. We have 4 different waxes in our line: a medium hold bare bones, a strong hold sudden death, an extra strong hold bone crusher, and an extra strong hold death grip. Now, the differences between these 2 extra strong holds: the death grip is extra strong and extra tacky, where the bone crusher is extra strong and extra firm. The bone crusher wax is intended to do English style or freestyle, and the death grip is a very versatile wax which specializes in handlebars but can be used in many different styles of mustache. The bare bones is the medium, which is the lightest in our line. That is going to be perfect for a styled, natural look. And then the sudden death is the stronghold wax in our line that is easy to apply. So you don't need a heat source or a hair dryer to apply the sudden death. For both of these extra strongholds, you're gonna want to use a heat source such as a hair dryer to apply. Or you can put them in your pocket for a time being, and sometimes it will work that way if you're in a warmer climate. Here in Colorado, I always recommend using a hair dryer when you apply these waxes.